It's the end of an exhausting week and all of you deserve a treat. So we're going to make a jam muffin. Now for the jam muffin, I have half a cup of all-purpose flour or maida and half a cup of whole wheat flour. I'm going to put this all into a bowl. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder to this, along with half teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to mix it lightly and set the bowl aside. And now we mix the wet ingredients. I'm going to use 1 egg for this. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of oil. I have half a cup of milk here, which I'm going to add to this, and about 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now I'm going to whisk this. I'm going to add 1 mashed banana into this. So here's a bowl. A quick mash, and into the bowl it goes. So I've whisked the banana into the wet ingredients. I'm going to take the bowl with the dry ingredients again. Just make a little well in the middle. And now we're going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Now this is the part where you don't want to overwork it. So you lightly pour it in and just give it a whisk. Don't agitate it because there's the baking powder in it. A couple swirls, and now the best part of this recipe, which is about 2 tablespoons of Kissan Jam that's going to go in. It kind of lends a nice fruity flavor to this, and it's got this lovely color. So you want to just swirl it. The batter is ready now, and we can fill it up in the muffin tins. We're going to fill it up 3/4 of the muffin tin. It's one of those fun things you want to see in your lunchbox. And now we're going to place a walnut on each of these. Now I'm going to put this in the OTG. It's been preheated to about 200 degrees centigrade. It's going to be in the OTG for about 20 to 25 minutes till it's golden brown. So the jam muffins are ready. I'm going to let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to pack the rest of the tiffin. So in goes some sandwiches. Today is one of those days where you can really let go and have some fun with your lunch. I'm going to add some fruit as well. And now we're going to add the muffin into the tiffin box. I hope you've enjoyed these recipes. I'll be back. Until then, subscribe to India Food Network